Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the Apple Watch above 50% and keep your iPhone close with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi active. Once ready, sign into your Apple ID and confirm two-factor authentication is available, because that secures your backup and activation. Now open the Watch app and tap Start Pairing. Hold the watch face inside the iPhone camera frame. You'll see an animation, make sure it centers, and pairing begins automatically. This step gets the secure link between devices. Once paired, you choose whether to set up as new or restore from an iCloud backup. Pick Restore to bring watch faces, apps, and settings back quickly. Make choices for location, Siri, and health permissions because they affect safety, fitness tracking, and voice control. Next, create a passcode for Apple Pay and secure data. Enter a 4 or 6-digit code. If you have a cellular model, add your carrier plan now. These decisions determine privacy, connectivity, and feature access going forward. To finish, allow the Watch app to sync apps, music, and settings. This can take 10 to 30 minutes depending on content. Once synced, customize watch faces and complications so you see what matters. Adjust notification settings to avoid overload. Make sure software is up to date. Watch OS and iOS matching recent versions improves reliability. If something goes wrong, try a simple restart of both devices and repeat pairing, and, if needed, unpair then repair to clear stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.